Hello RVers, this is Mary here in Junction City. Today I have the privilege of showing you this beautiful Navion. This is a Winnebago product and it's a 2023. So this is a 24D, which is one of their most popular floor plans. And as you can see, it's a Mercedes, it's beautiful. So let's take a look inside. So as you can see, this is a very open floor plan, okay? So the slide out is right here. You've got all of this extra space right here. This is a Murphy bed. So when the bed is in the up position, you still have room to be able to get to the bathroom. The refrigerator opens and you've got so much counter space. For as Class C, this is a lot of counter space. You have a double sink here. This is a beautiful space. So reclining is also something that people love. Okay, so these recline, they go all the way out and you can actually push it to where you're in the lay down position. So watch some TV, enjoy a relaxing sitting here. And when the bed is in the up position, you still have a lot of space to go back and forth. But as you can see, when it's down, you can still walk around just fine and get to the bathroom. So a really good sized bathroom with a pocket door. And there's plenty of room in here. This is a slider, which is going to help you get all those little water droplets off. Slides all the way across. And I am about 5'4", and there's an extra bar in here. So you can also remove this bar. This is just extra. So if you want to put some clothing in here to have a little extra clothing. Hanging spot, that's great. A little sink, cabinet here, and then there's a cabinet here for storage. So if you have extra people coming along or extra places that you want to put some gear, this is a great place up here. This does raise up so you have easy access to the cab down below. Also, really good thing that Winnebago does is a sliding door. I love this screen door right here. And if you notice, they give you a place to put your dog leashes or maps or just, you know, some flip-flops or something that you might have just easy on the access to grab as you're going out the unit. So this is Mary at Bish's in Junction City, Oregon. My number is 406-850-4590. Give me a call if you want to look at this unit or any of the other units on our lot. Thank you.